Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter fraction exercise 3C. Let us see page number 47. See here, 11th question, page 47. They said a verbal sum or the writing sum. See once. Cost of 1 kg of sugar given. Cost of 1 kg of sugar is 37 1 by 2 rupees. 37 1 by 2 rupees. Finally, they said us to find cost of 8 3 by 4 kg of sugar. Suppose cost of 1 kg of sugar is 20 rupees. Then what can be the cost of 2 kgs of sugar? 1 kg cost is 20 rupees. Then 2 kgs cost, is it 40 rupees? Yes, 40 rupees. How did we get that? Just by multiplication. 2 kgs we want to. 2 into 20 rupees. The 20 rupees is cost of 1 kg. Same like that only. Here also we have to multiply. Cost of 1 kg of sugar is 37 1 by 2 rupees. Then cost of 8 3 by 4 kg of sugar. So we should multiply. 8 3 by 4 should multiply with 37 1 by 2 rupees. Am I correct? So now it is a mixed fraction. We should convert into an improper fraction. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35 by 4. Into symbol. 37 into 2. 37 2s are 74. 74 plus 1, 75 by 2. Am I correct? The next step is numerators should be multiplied by denominators should be multiplied. So 35 into 75 in the numerator I have written, then denominator 4 into 2. Am I correct? Numerator 35 75 if I multiply, we got 2625. 2625 by 4 2s are is 8. 4 2s are 8. Here numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we should divide the numerator with the denominator. Then we got an answer called 328 1 by 8 rupees. That is only cost of 8 3 by 4 kg of sugar. 328 1 by 8 rupees. 328 1 by 8 rupees is the cost of 8 3 by 4 kg of sugar. Is it easy for you? With fractions only we have done. That too with into symbol, that is multiplication operation. We are doing the fraction with addition or subtraction, of course multiplication or division. Now this is the question with multiplication. Shall we go for another question for the page number 48? So page number 48. Question number 12 we were doing now. See once here. Distance travelled by a motorcycle with 1 liter of petrol. Motorcycles are there, no? Two-wheelers, those are moving on the roads just by consuming petrol. Am I correct? That means by using with petrol only they are moving on the roads. So distance travelled by a motorcycle with 1 liter of petrol is equal to 31 1 by 4 kilometers. 31 1 by 4 kilometers. Then distance travelled by the same motorcycle with 1 3 by 5 liter of petrol. 1 3 by 5 liter of petrol. Same like previous. Suppose 1 liter petrol is needed for a motorcycle to travel a distance of 50 kilometers. 1 liter needed for a journey or distance to be covered for 50 kilometers suppose. Then for 2 liters if they use, for 1 liter the motorcycle is completing 50 kilometers of journey for 1 liter of petrol. Then for 2 liters, how much distance will it cover? 2 into 50. 2 into 50 gives you 100. That means 100 kilometers of distance that motorcycle will cover. In our example sum, we have done with multiplication. Same way here also we have to multiply. Now distance travelled by a same motorcycle with 1 3 by 5 liter of petrol. Just multiplication like our example. 1 3 by 5 should multiply with 31 1 by 4 kilometers. Now 1 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert to the improper fraction. See here 1 into 5, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 5 I have written into symbol 31 into 4, 31 into 4 is 124, 124 plus 1 125 by that 4 is written. Afterwards I have checked whether any cancellation is possible or not. Yes, here 4 and 8 can cancel with fourth table. So I have cancelled with the fourth table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Am I correct? 4 ones 4, 4 twos are 8. I have cancelled 4 and 8 with the fourth table. Afterwards 5 and 125 also cancelled with the 5 table. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 25s 125. 5 25s are is 125. Now no more cancellation. Denominators are left with 1 and 1 only. 1 ones are is 1 no. No meaning in the denominator 1 no. So I have left that part. 2 into 25. Into symbol is there between them. 2 into 25. 2 25s are answer is 50. And distance covered by the motorcycle we are identifying. That means kilometers are identifying. So that is 50 kilometers we got as answer. Thus required distance to be covered by the motorcycle is equal to 50 kilometers. Is it clear for you children? Write these two answers in your classwork, and the sums here and there we have left. Before 12th question we have left some sums. Those sums you do as practice sums, because such models already discussed in the previous explanations. So based on that you can complete them. With next day's class or the tomorrow's class we will discuss other part of teachings. Okay then, thank you very much.